Alrighty guys, so we just got to our property for the day. Just setting up the first power washer. So I'm just going to show us putting on the splitter. Got our hose there that we're going to connect as well. But just give you a rundown of this house, of what we're doing here. Not cleaning any of the house actually. They did not want a house wash, but they wanted but they did want their patio space to be cleaned up a bit. So that's what we're going to be working on today. Yeah, here's a rundown of the property. The client said that he indeed tried to do it himself, and you can see that here. But we're going to be cleaning. We're actually doing a paver wash, sand, and seal on this property. So that includes us taking out all the cracks, all the sand in the cracks and everything, and then coming back the next day to sand it and seal. So we're going to be cleaning up patio, these steps. They said they only want us to wash it to here, so that's what we're going to do. And these pillars, steps, all the way around here. And yeah guys, that's pretty much the walkthrough for the day. And we'll get back at you with some cleaning clips. So see you in the next one. Got our remote, perfect. And then yeah, basically Matt's going to start this thing up right now. We'll see if she goes first try. She's been cruising lately, so we use her pretty much. Well, actually we don't use this one every day, but ooh, first try, baby. Let's go. So basically just gonna wet down the whole property before starting any type of cleaning. What we'll do is actually pre-treat all of this stuff with our solutions. So I'm gonna go set up now. So we've got, always make sure your hose line is open at the end when starting your power washer. So leave this DN10 open. And I'm gonna go fire up my machine. Try to pull this back a little bit so we're not putting too much strain on the hose. Nice, Matt turned on our downstream box. Just gotta grab, let's see, put it. No, just gotta grab my keys. Jeez, where? This electric start is quite nice, I will say. To fire these things up makes it a lot easier. Make sure gas is open, our choke is on. I'm just gonna come here, open this like midway. Hey, should be running now. And then what we'll do is we'll start seeing some, oh, this is blast this guy out here. I hate those things. What we're going to do now is just, actually I'm going to change out the tip, make it a little bit bigger. We are just going to wait for our chemical to start pulling through here. Start to see some bubbles once it does. I can smell it, it's coming through. There's our suds. So yeah, we're just going to pre-treat all of this. You start to see it really coming out here now. Great. You smell it too. Gotta make sure we keep our hoses intact today. Sorry to see the color starting to come out of this block again. It's an awesome transformation. Alright, she's pre-treated. Now we will turn her off. Soak down a little bit more to get out the rest of that solution. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end this clip and we'll see when we're washing.
Alrighty, guys, and our O-ring is busted right as we're about to start this job. Awesome. That sucks. That really sucks.
Alright guys, so as you saw in that last clip, our DN10, or this O-ring busted in here. So we're just gonna, we don't have it, I have the piece, but it's on the other gun in my house, so we are just going to not use the DN10. We're just gonna connect right to the hose. We really don't even need the DN10, so. Alrighty. Alright. No problems there. Hell yeah, bro. Alrighty, well. That worked. Huh? Yeah. Alrighty, so these are the problems that come up, guys. And I literally have this exact one at my house. And I was building a new gun last night, or 2 nights ago or something, and so I took it out of my box over here. So usually we're running, we've got all the spares, all of our spare parts in here. And obviously the one that we need to swap this out, I took out of here yesterday, so, or 2 days ago, I don't remember. But yeah, no problems there. We just bypassed the DN10 there, turn this bad boy up. And also, guys, we're not worried about cleaning the box right now. We're only getting out the box. Now we're talking about the walls or anything yet. I'm not worried about walls or anything yet. You see all the cracks. Yeah, so we're just setting up joints into the return. You know, now we're going to do servicing afterwards. So we're just going to get the points out. Where are you starting? Alright, yeah, just do a bit of this, that, and that. Yeah. Yeah. We probably consider chasing. That's fine. Yeah, that's not really. You don't have to get it again, just work with the rinse so it's not dry. There's a little in here. This rain is bad. This rain is bad. That's why I said the rain is sick. That's it. I got this weed room.
All right, this is pretty bad. I've never seen it this bad before. But we got all the joints out, so that's what's important here. Matt's gonna grab the leaf blower and the broom and get his hose out of here. Use a leaf blower too. I'm gonna grab the leaf blower, blow that stuff out of there. There we go. Close that up. I'm not gonna close it fully, but just a little. It's overflowing because our flow valve doesn't work. The leaf blower. Camera's still running. Man, this is bad. Yo, watch out. All right, we're just gonna let this dry, I guess, and start on that side. Kind of see what happens, because yeah, this is bad. All right, just keep on washing that side now. Dang, if that was not happening, we would have a really easy job today, but that's gonna make it, it's all the way down there. It's gonna make it a bit harder to clean today, but no problem, we're gonna get her done. I'm gonna put my gun, here it is. And we're definitely gonna be cleaning this way this time. See if it's more. Double ball over again. Alright then. We're not. Now, we're doing one. Let's do one. Let's up. Down. Take the wall. And up. Now, only that. Let's do it. Alright, this one. Let's do one. This one. See you later. Alrighty guys, we're about halfway done, probably actually more than halfway, but yeah, just wanted to show you kind of where we're at with it from this perspective. Like I said, they didn't want that side washed, so definitely some major improvements here. Just filling up with gas, so but yeah, definitely looking insanely better. Insane. insane transformation going on here today. We are just trying to do a little bit of a drainage issue with this house. It's probably why it got this bad, because every time it rains it just sits. So yeah, Matt's working on this side, and that's pretty much all. Right now, water. Yeah. You're not going to search there. That's why it's back, because I'm handling all of it. And now I'm water, so I'm just fine. Alrighty guys, so we finished up the patio. Insane drainage problems, but we got her done. So here she is. Definitely a major upgrade from before. Literally looks like a brand new patio for this client. Retaining wall came out looking super nice. Like black before. Actually you can see how it looked before. You only want to see it here, so that's how it was all the way along the entire wall. But got it taken care of all the way through. The edges over here, fireplace. Oh yeah, things came out looking mint. There's everything, and I think I came in through this side, so if you don't remember how it looked before. Yeah, that's nice. Got our pillars taken care of along the outsides here as well. Along the walls. These pillars taken care of there. Steps. And yeah guys, that's everything on this property.
Took us about 3 hours. I don't know what time it is now. It's 12:30. We arrived to the property around 8:40 this morning. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the way it came out. Hope the client is as well. We're going to come back and sand this patio tomorrow and also seal it. So there will be a second part to this job. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Got a few more quotes today. This was the only scheduled job for the day. That's just tying everything up. Keys for our electric start power washer. Yes, sir. Ford Escape combo. That hybrid. Can't beat it, I swear. Alright, guys, we'll see you, I don't know when, but yes. Alrighty, guys, so just got to the property to sand. It's now Saturday about like 3 p.m. right now. It's a little bit wet earlier, so I was just about to walk back here and check out the space, see how it is looking after yesterday's wash. It's pretty wet, it rained, so we were talking with the client, getting updates with them throughout the day. So here's the patio. It's not looking too bad at all. It's just some ants. This is literally after their time. It's okay. Nice. Still pretty dry. Just a couple wet blocks. It's okay. Definitely looking good. Steps are a little wet. That's alright. Yes, I'm just gonna blow this off. And okay, guys. So that's the patio. Way better than yesterday. When I get to work, so we can get out of here and call this one done with. But yeah, again, here's the retaining wall. This just shows what it used to look like. See how it looks now. Pretty insane transformation. Yeah. Yes, this is like that's another thing. I'm just like, what did you get? This is really bad. Okay. Yeah. Ready. Let's do that. Yeah, but that's marker. You know what?
Sit in the car for a little bit for it to wait for it to dry. You want to hook up the Flexzilla attachment to the hose. It's down there on that back wall. Huh? Yeah, we're just gonna use that one. Rainy. Just gonna go half and half here. No, wait. Huh? Rolling. Right here. Yeah. All right. Maybe we can try and keep it up if we want. but it's probably not gonna work. I might just need you to pull it back while I'm walking backwards, so I don't just like trip on it and shit. All right. You pull it back a little? Huh? Dude, it does. You can like smell the sand. It's got like a distinct smell to it, I swear. Yeah, I like it. I only ever smell that smell when I'm doing this crap. Oh shit. Might need to leaf blow that corner. And we ain't even using SH. Alrighty, now where do I put that? Let me check. Hold on. It's like sand sperm. Beauty. Ah, there's like a spot right here I missed. It's like right here. Yeah, actually did. Just keep soaking it a little bit, just cause. Yeah. Sheesh. Straight cooked. In a good way. Got like a crazy picture from this angle. From the beginning. Yeah. It's like green, the whole alleyway is like green. And I took one like right here. I've been trying to take like the same angle so you can really tell. I know I took one from up here. Nice. Yeah, it complements the house so well. Alrighty, let's just go and just bring all the stuff back to the car. Grab the pump, the bucket sprayer, not pump sprayer. Alrighty, so we just got her open. It should look a little milky in here. Oh yeah. Water base. Yes sir, paver sealer. Just basically drop this into there. Hold that. Basically drop our pump sprayer kit into there. Connector. connector again. Start to see it flow through here. So I press this trigger, get her going. That was water. That was water. That's just water right there. Oh.
Attachment not secured.
Attachment not secured. Yeah, it's just the water that's still in there. So now it's probably 2 times in a row. Alright. Not secured. Alright, it's primed. There's liquid all the way through here, I believe. I don't know, can't really tell. Alright, now it's coming out because we see the white. Maybe I shouldn't have sprayed that right there. Oops. There we go.
I have to come back and do this section.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for the back to dry. No, we can bring it back there. Alright guys, so the patio is pretty much dried up. We're going to go ahead and apply our sealer now out of our bucket sprayer. So pretty much just going to drop it on the surface and throw our head. Right, I think I got the board. I have to close on this. Ooh, it's heavy. Alrighty. Bucket sprayer is goated. The best thing out there. Alright, I'll just walk on it. I think we should both be walking all over it. So they're dry. Start dry for like 5 to 10 minutes. Should apply some more. I need a little bit of, I just need to get it up here. Just walk real quick. Pull that spot. Ready? Just right here. Alrighty, and that is that for this patio. Beautiful.
What an outcome.
What a transformation. 2-day project completed. Time to go and collect our fee. Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap for this patio. Thumbnail, oh yeah. Who knows what we'll do, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Threw down the sealer with our bucket sprayer. I already went over it, but nice little setup we got here helps with applying the sealer, and that's the final step. We waited about an hour and a half to 2 hours before applying the sealer after wetting down our sand. And yeah, it's really humid out here, so it kind of helps with the drying process. But yeah, guys, that is the patio. Goal.